In this video, I will be showing you how to create a concept map in Napkin AI. Let's get started. First, I'll click on the blank napkin option to open a clean workspace. Now that the editor is open, I'll click the title field and type Project AI Implementation Roadmap. Next, I'm going to enter my project details as a numbered list. Once my text is ready, I'll click the blue sparkle icon to generate visuals. This brings up the AI suggestions panel on the left. I can see a variety of diagrams, but since I want a concept map, I'll type that into the category search bar. I'm going to take a moment to look through the different styles and layouts the AI has provided. I can click on various versions to see how they represent my roadmap. After picking the style I like, I can choose the specific design that fits my project best. Now that I've settled on a design, I can start editing the visual exactly the way I want. I'll click on the main heading and change the font to something a bit cleaner. To make more specific changes, I'll click the Ungroup button so I can move and edit each element freely. I'm going to select the deployment bubble and change its color to a sleek, dark gray. I'll also update the center bubble and the infrastructure section to keep the design consistent. And there you have it. That's the complete process of creating a concept map in Napkin AI.